If you continue to be embarrassed by a wet ring on the sleeves of your shirt where your armpits have worked overtime, then you will be thrilled with the 10 remedies we have for you. You can end your embarrassment and go out into public with more confidence once you know how to stop armpit sweating. So, prepare to arm yourself with home remedies to get control of your sweaty pits. Number 1. Black tea. We are going to lead off our list of how to stop armpit sweating with a simple remedy which really works. Black tea contains tannic acid, which has astringent and antiperspirant properties, and works by constricting sweat glands, thus limiting the flow of sweat. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has astringent property that controls the sweating process. It helps to balance the pH levels of the body, especially under the arms or feet, to get rid of the bacteria. Being an antiperspirant, it forms a coat on the skin which ensures the pores are closed. Number 3. Potatoes. This one might seem a little bizarre to you initially, but potatoes are actually quite effective when it comes to how to stop armpit sweating. Potatoes are able to absorb excess water or sweat from the body, and their juice also works as an antiperspirant. Number 4. Sage. The tannic acid present in sage is known for its astringent properties which restrict the sweat glands from producing excessive sweat and reduces the perspiration. The antibacterial and antifungal properties control the bacterial growth causing to sweat. Number 5. Coconut oil. Another top remedy for how to stop armpit sweating is coconut oil. The lauric acid in coconut oil not only helps to slow down perspiration, but it also helps to eliminate odor-causing bacteria. Its light fragrance would be okay to wear all day, but be aware that it will stain your clothes. Number 6. Witch hazel. Witch hazel is obtained from the hazel shrub. Its extract contains tannins, catechins, gallic acid, flavonoids, essential oils such as carvedilol, hexanol and eugenol, saponins and choline, which helps to treat the sweating problem effectively, especially on the face, by shrinking the skin pores with its strong astringent properties. Number 7. Baking soda. Baking soda is a simple and effective remedy for how to stop armpit sweating. Because an acidic environment not only encourages excessive sweating, but the growth of odor-causing bacteria, the pH balancing effect of baking soda helps to counteract that process. Number 8. Wheatgrass. Healthy wheatgrass juice helps you to control sweating. It is high in vitamin A, C, B12, B6 and folic acid. This effectively prevents the sweating by controlling the acid's activity and toxins in the blood. It neutralizes and dilutes the toxins in the blood and helps you get complete relief from sweating. For this you have to drink a glass of wheatgrass juice daily or else follow the below process. Number 9. Tomatoes. The fact that tomatoes and tomato juice is used to remove the overpowering odor of the spray of skunks should be some indication as to their potency and how to stop armpit sweating. The antioxidant and astringent properties not only shrink sweat glands, but they also remove odor. Number 10. Magnesium-rich food sweating is also caused due to the deficiency of magnesium in the body. However, excessive sweating can also lead to magnesium deficiency in the body. You have to include magnesium-rich foods in your diet in order to regulate body temperature. Regular intake of magnesium also helps to decrease the anxiety, another cause for sweating. Here is the list of magnesium-rich foods you can include in your diet.